Chewy?
What's going on, everybody? So in the last video, you saw us put the cylinder head and the oil pan on, but unfortunately, we have to take the head back off because I forgot to put sealant where the front cover meets the block. But it was suggested to us that we take it off anyway and do as much work as we can to the head while the head's not on the block, because it will make putting the block back in the car much easier, because we'll be able to get to all the mounts and everything else that goes around it. So we're going to take the head off. I'm going to put all the studs in. I'm going to put the cam in and the mechanical rocker assembly, and probably, if we have time, put the manifolds on. And we'll go from there. Sound good?
Let's do it.
All right, head's off. So now we're going to put in the cam and the rocker assembly. All right, so we got the rocker assembly disassembled. It's kind of weird. The assembly is disassembled.
Assemble the assembly.
So we're gonna clean everything up and then put everything back together with the new caps, and then slap it on the head. All right, got everything cleaned off, so now we're gonna reassemble the assembly.
Reassemble the disassembled assembly.
Whoa, that's pretty crazy. Lube me up.
Did you just make like a Star Trek joke?
Star Trek?
Yeah. Beam me up, Scotty. Lube me up.
Wow, no. I didn't even think of it.
Oh, okay. Because I was going to say Chewbacca was here earlier.
Chewbacca's not even real.
Dude, Chewie was here.
I think anesthesia's still wearing off.
Mm.
The holes don't line up.
We just got to drill new ones.
Oh, okay. But now,
Trump.
we can't do it like that.
Why?
How are we going to get the rockers on?
These can still turn. Oh, we can't turn them with the shift. So we got to put it together one at a time.
Or, yeah.
Start here.
Yeah.
And slide this one in. And as we slide this one in, put your washer first, then your rocker.
Alright.
Slide it through, then you'll put your spring, your next rocker. Slide it through, rocker, next spring. Yeah, we should have done it like put both of them in there and then build them together.
Yeah. So we're gonna take everything back apart and do it one by one.
Okay, let's try to keep this in order. Is that right?
Probably not, but we'll go with it like we usually do.
Alright.
All right, the rocker assembly has been racked. All right, so now we're gonna put the cam in. We're gonna lube up the things here. I don't know any technical terms.
Journals.
The journals. Do you keep a journal?
Like Doug Funny?
Yeah. All right, we got the cam in, new seal. So now we're gonna lay the rocker assembly on top of it and torque it down. So after you got a little oil on your the threads of the new bolts, go ahead and tighten them down. We're gonna start in the middle and work our way out. The factory service manual doesn't really say that there's a torque sequence or anything.
They work better if you have sockets.
And you put it on the right way. Now I don't know what they are, but these obviously will have to be adjusted for the valve lash.
Now to 50.
That wasn't 15?
No, I wasn't doing 50.
It's taking too long.
Hmm?
What? Guess what?
What?
We get to cross something off the list.
Flywheel?
No.
AC recharge.
Da-dun!
Wow. Only a million more things to
Yeah.
go.
It's all pretty little stuff though. Main thing is the wire tuck and resurfacing the flywheel and pressure plate. Other stuff is just small stuff.
So are we gonna make it?
Are we gonna make what?
To run to the sun? Well, will you make that? There's no we in that. Marlo. Unless...
It depends. I mean, yeah, we'll make it.
We'll get hit.
I don't think it'll be running by then. 'Cause I got basically 3 more days. Not even a day, but let's see. 2, 4. I have 6 more hours
Yeah, alright, no way.
to get this car running. And I don't think that's gonna happen in 6 hours. Maybe 3 days and 6 hours.
Well, that's 6 hours just from dropping the motor in.
But it's getting there.
Slowly but surely.
So close, but yet so far away. We got 8 minutes.
What can we do in 8 minutes?
We can put the studs in the head.
Where they at?
In that baggie. There's a couple. I got some anti-seize lubricant too, so
Ooh.
they don't get all rusty and stuck inside the head like the old one. Give me a little dab day.
Right there.
That's my stud music. So let us know what you think. Should we do everything that we can to the head off of the car, off of the block, or should we go ahead and install the head back onto the block and then drop it in to the engine? Let us know. in the comments of your opinion. We would love to know it.
Too many options.
All it really boils down to is just
That bolt falling in that thing.
just, you know, just
Preference.
yeah, just do what you want. What did the 7M guys say? Do you know? Or they just say swap it.
Oh, you put the head on outside of the car.
Yeah.
A lot easier to do it on the stand than it is inside the car. That's also a straight 6.
Yeah.
This
This
is a
is
4.
a little 4-cylinder.
Okay, what else?
That I think is
That's gonna wrap up this episode.
got 2 minutes.
We done, yeah. We done, B.
Yep. Our 2-hour time slot has been exhausted. All right, well, it kind of seems like we took a step backwards, but we actually got some stuff done today. We got the whole rocker assembly done and the exhaust and intake manifold studs in. That's gonna do it for today. Like we just said, our 2-hour time slot has been exceeded.
Next week we'll take the head back apart so we can redo something we forgot.
Yeah, we're gonna, you know, fix what we did wrong. That's the shirt. Speaking of shirts, why don't you head on over to snrmotoring.com and pick yourself up one. Helps us out.
And a special thank you to CHEWBACCA for handing the camshaft today.
I still don't know what you're talking about.
Chewie was here. I heard it.
What kind of medication did they give you?
Good stuff.
Yeah.
If you enjoy the videos and watching us do stuff 2, sometimes 3 times over,
You know, that's our videos are probably some of the most educational videos out there.
of what not to do.
Exactly. If you watch our videos, you'll know what not to do. That way you can do it the right way. But,
Failure is the best teacher.
yeah, that's true.
But yeah, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on our new videos.
And also check out all the links in our description. It's all of our social media and our Patreon page. I don't know how you really pronounce that. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye. Keep on motoring.